Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If this is not your first time, make sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So today I'll be showing you guys how I make a wig, and I'm going to attach the picture of what I'm trying to achieve somewhere on the screen. I'll be doing a short fringe bulb, and after I'm done wigging it, I'm going to go ahead and what is it called, I'm going to go ahead and dye it the color that I want, which is actually the color that Taylor Swift actually used. So there's just a couple of things that you're going to need. You can see that I'm using a spandex cap. I'm using this because the last time I did a wig and I used the net one, it didn't work out so well for me. The reason why is because after you're done fixing it, I was done fixing it. It was a bit too tight for me. It shrunk beyond the size of my head. But this is big, as you can see, and it's elastic, so I don't think that should be the issue. This is my first time using the spandex, so but I don't think I would have any issue with this. Then I used office pins, these pins to hold it down, so when I'm wigging it, it doesn't move. And you're gonna need hair. So this is the hair that I'm going to be using because it's nothing serious. I don't want to waste money. So this is 10 inches and it's really good quality if you ask me. I mean, it doesn't look, bad. And this is in 10 inches and in the color natural. You're going to need your wig, you're going to need your thread and some needles. You can see that I've already threaded it. I said threaded it. I've thread one, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start wigging. So you just need the thread, the pin, your cap, your mannequin head, your pins for this. You can use T-pins, but this is what I have, and of course your wig. I'm going to use just one pack of this because there are 4 bundles. This is a lot. I don't think I would even finish everything, but yeah, and when I'm done I'll show you guys. So let's take out the first bundle. This is the first one. Just gonna unscrew this. You can see that it's even, the hair is coming out, so it's not as great as I thought before, but again I'm gonna cut it, so I don't really care. So this is what one bundle looks like. Yeah, it's okay. So the fringe that she had on was a very light one, so I won't be using a lot of this thing, so I'll just be using one row. I'm just gonna go ahead and start from where the pin is. So I'm gonna, for easier weft, I'm gonna put the needle through the weft and put it through the material like this. Everywhere is so hot. Anyways, I'm just gonna turn this weft to the other side, this thing. So it's remaining 2 more bundles, so obviously I have to start increasing my what is it called, so So guys, this is what the finished look looks like. It's pretty much done. This is the face. I'm just gonna put it on my mom's head and try to trim out the parts that I can trim out. And so this is what the finished look looks like. Because the wig cap itself is a large one, so I can always pull it up if it's too close, and I can pull it down and stuff. So I've just gone ahead to bleach it. I'll wash it off and see how it looks like. If it's not perfect, this is what it looks like. I was expecting it to be like really blonde, but this will suffice. Hi guys, so this is the finished look. Ignore all the hair. I'm just so really tired. I don't know if you guys can notice there's a slight length difference, but hopefully I think shouldn't be noticeable like that. But this is what the finished look. Oh, this side is yet to dry, but this is what it looks like. I really like it, you know. So if you liked this tutorial, make sure to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any similar content like this. Until my next video, love you guys, take care, bye.